Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for today. This is called Happy Mail. Happy Mail is a package you send to somebody that is going through like a hard time. You know, life happens and you get sad but anyways, they asked for Happy Mail and so I'm going to send them Happy Mail. So I made a bookmark kit. It's just an idea I had, so I thought, coloring's supposed to relax you and make you feel better, so I thought I'll make a bookmark kit. So I found some images online. So I made some narrower ones. They are long, they're almost, not quite 8 by 10s, so they might be a little bit long, but I think they'll still be alright. Like for a hardcover book, they'd be alright. So there's the narrow ones. And there's the same image again, wider. And then, let's see here. Pages are sticking together. Drives me nutty. And then this one I thought was pretty neat. I really like the owls in the middle, but it was like one sheet. You couldn't separate the owls. But, the arrows are cool. I guess if you did maybe like neon arrows, they look kind of cool, like neon bright colors. This one I've used before. Did print a little dark, but with a dark color, you won't even notice that. So I think I did it actually for Valentine's Day, but it's not really overly Valentine's Day-ish. And then I like this one. This one's got hope, smiles, love, dream. I've used this one quite a bit. And these are narrow hearts. So I thought those were pretty cool. And then, well, of course you need cardstock. So I got this beautiful purple. It's coming off of as white, sort of in the video, but it's like a lilac color, like a pale lilac. So it's not white. That is a pink. That is a dark pink. There's an orange. Bright yellow. And a very deep red. Hopefully those colors show up. This is pretty heavy cardstock. Should be enough to do all the bookmarks. The color she wants. So yeah, I got the cardstocks. You got the pictures. The rip and the tape. I actually had 2 rolls of this. I think I'm only maybe take a little bit off of this roll, but I actually have 2 rolls of it, so I'm going to include that. And then, well, what else do you need? Ribbon. So I got these colored ribbons. I thought they went very well. I love that purple. It's a deep purple. Your white, your reds. See, that has hearts on it, so it matches the Valentine's Day kind of themey ones, the love ones. And I think it matches all the paper pretty well. That's a nice white. So yeah, so I got those. Also, I'm going to include the pencil crayons and crayons, because you can't color coloring pages without them. And I wish I had mini markers, but I don't. I have to keep an eye out for that, because then I can send them. So yeah, so I just put them in, the trading card sheets for pocket letters. I just cut one in half, and use that. I was making a pocket letter, and I melted it. Like glue gun melted part of the plastic, so I had to cut it. I wasn't paying attention, and I melted the plastic. Couldn't fix it either. It's pretty bad. So that's all the items to make the bookmarks. Other items I'm going to include is, this is pretty. Hopefully it shows up. I found this, it's all sparkly. I actually found this at Dollarama. It's in my Dollarama haul. It says enjoy the day. It's got roses on it, it's shiny. So I'm going to include this. It's got the big pockets in it. It's only shiny on the back, on the front, sorry. The back's just plain. See, it's a Dollarama. So I thought, oh, that's cool. So I can store it all in that. It'll be easy to mail it too, right? You don't have to worry about things getting crumpled. Also, I found these packets of paper. Perfect squares. Perfect squares for like a die cut. So I got this blue one with feathers. It's fairly thin, but that's okay. Then I got this blue one with gold. See this gold through them? And then I got these pyramids. It's gold and silver. And I got a gold, black and gold flaky kind of one. Then I got this cool silver and black stripe. Well, not stripe, it's like stripes on crack, I guess you can say. Yeah, crazy stripes. And swirly stripes. So, yeah. So I got those in the sender. And then I found these at Dollarama. They come in packs. They come in the pink and the monarch. But they're like super big. So I'm going to include the big ones. They're too big for pocket letters. So I'm going to send these two because they'll fit in this folder. Also, I am including stickers because I love stickers. So I got these cool stars. Now, these stickers I bought a big pack from Amazon. There was like 80 sheets and it was under $20. It was a good deal because you get all kinds of different themes. And they're kind of puffy. Not super puffy, but yeah, they're just nice. You know, actually I never stuck any of them. I've actually given all the sheets away. So I never actually used any. I've always given them away. That's funny. I just thought of that. So I don't know how, I actually don't know how sticky they are. So this one's all vehicles. Train's pretty cool. So yeah, double-decker bus. Nice. I think these, yeah, they're Purple Ladybug Novelty. I don't know if I can get the website here. You see, there they are right there. You can see the website? Check them out. I haven't actually been to this website. I've only seen it on Amazon. So there could be more on the website. But look at the little yellow duckies. So yeah, got a little animal page. Got stars and moons. And then another Facebooker sent these to me so I can include them in my Happy Mail packages. So I thought that's pretty cool. And it matches, color matches. So I think that's pretty good for Happy Mail. Yeah, so I got the coloring pages, my favorite paper, my beautiful butterflies. I love these butterflies. And I love my stickers. So yeah, it all in a pretty folder. You know? Pretty folder, ribbon, 2 rolls of tape, you know, pencil crayons. I think that's a good Happy Mail. Happy Mail. I think I'd be happy to get that. So yeah, so that is my bookmark kit. I got my letter written, and yeah, so I just gotta package it up and send it away. So yes, that is my Happy Mail for my Facebook group bookmark kit. Later.